Oh well, what do we have here? Oh, Stiltbeast! Oh, Stiltbeast. Hello, YouTube! We got a package here from Stilbeast Studios. We're about to get our unboxing on. Let's get to it. Alright. Beat it, baby Carlos. Alright, folks. This is our Stiltbeast box. I've been waiting on this for a couple of weeks. Haven't had time to get to it. First and foremost, I want to say thank you to the Stiltbeast family, the whole Haunt family. Everybody, you know who you are on Alan's live streams. I did not pay for this. This is a gift from the room in general. What I paid, my portion of it barely covered shipping, and we're going to get into that. So let me get a letter opener, and we'll get cracking on this bad boy. Okay, YouTubes, first and foremost, I want to say $50.40 to ship this mask. That's highway robbery. I'm not really sure what's going on at the USPS, but they're always crying poor on the news, and I'm not thrilled about that, so I think that's highway robbery, and you guys are always wondering why you're broke and stamps for 50 cents and your shipping is this much. But anyways, now we got that out of the way, let's get into this bad boy. Like I said, the creepers paid for this. What I paid barely covered shipping at $50 for a box this big of mask. It's not like it's full of bricks or anything like that, so let's go ahead and see what we got. Alright. Okay, you better put this down on the floor. Alright. Alright, fellas. Oh, we got our signature Stiltbeast green. I just love seeing this. Oh, we got another box. It says, have another. Thank you so much, Shannon. Oh, man, does Bones Jangles have another partner? Ah! Oh, I think we do. Oh, look how cool that is. Another little Bones Jangles. We'll hang him up by next to his twin up there on the back of the calendar. That's super cool. Thank you, Shannon. You guys are the extras. You just kill me with that stuff. Oh, man. Oh, God. He's already looked so freaking fantastic. Oh, my God, guys. Oh, that is phenomenal. Oh, we got little extras falling out. Oh, a little green dragon. Look how cool he is. Pretty sharp. We're going to have to go through this. Okay. Let's put them up on the table so you guys can see. Oh, man. There's more stuff floating around the box. God, they packed this so good. Okay. We got to make some room. Oh man, the helmet looks great. His bandages look great. Oh, everybody look at this. Look at that beauteousness. Oh my God. Ancient Spirits of Evil. Oh my God. Look how awesome this is. I don't know how he does this. Alan's done a whole line of the Masters of the Universe, and we said, hey, can the Thundercats get some love? And sure enough, he had a Mumm-Ra plan, and look at this thing. Oh my God. Let's get this thing set on a table. We'll get a close-up view of it so you guys can see what Alan did. And I think, oh, the helmet removes, guys. This is going to be awesome. All right, let me get the camera set up, and we'll get our next shot ready and take a look at this guy up close. Okay, YouTubes, here he is, man. Alan just murdered this sculpt. He made it from scratch, just looking at pictures of Mumm-Ra off the internet. Look how freaking awesome he is. He's all bandaged up. He's got little ribbons, like a samurai-style helmet, just like the cartoon. I know Stan was working on the helmet and cut all this out of EVA foam, so thanks, Stan. Awesome guy. I know Stacy did some paint work on it, and check this out. Removable helmet. How freaking cool is that? I can run around the block and be Mumm-Ra for Halloween. Ain't that freaking awesome? Oh, just look how freaking cool he is, man. He looks just like the cartoon. That is so freaking awesome. Look at that mug, man. How freaking awesome is that? God, Alan, you just kill it every time. You know, I'm so glad you gave the Thundercats some love. Thanks, Shannon, for the extras. My daughter's going to appreciate these, so she'll be the one sneaking off with them. But guys, look how amazing that is, man. It's the super lightweight EVA foam helmet. You know, he's got the linen bandages on him. I mean, look how freaking awesome he looks, man. Just freaking amazing. This is going to be awesome for my collection. I'm thrilled. Let me see if I can bring the camera in for an even closer view. Alright guys, we're up pretty close. Check him out. Look how amazing. I mean, this foam is nice and soft. He's got the gold color on it. His snakes look amazing from the cartoon on his head. I mean, Alan just murders us every time, man. He gets those little details in that makes it. Oh, I just noticed he's got little cabochons on the snake's head. Here's the little ribbons that flies off the back of Mumm-Ra's head. I mean, just look at that thing, man. Look at the cabochons and everything. He's got little cabochons where the eyes are. Like I said, Stan cut all this out in EVA foam and made all this. How freaking amazing. I mean, Alan just kills it every time. I mean, look at all the, look at just the look on that guy's face, man. I mean, for any Thundercat collector, I mean, this is just huge. I'm going to keep this piece forever. It's amazing. I want everybody to see this thing. It's like, Alan, there's nothing he can't do. If you ask him, he will do it. So, I mean, if you guys want something else, man, just go find some Stiltbeast Studios. I will link Alan's YouTube channel below. I will link his website below. Go get you some Stiltbeast. You're missing out. If you're not watching the live streams, you're missing out. They're amazing. Alan's, you know, just, you know, the detail and everything he does is freaking top shelf, and that's why he is who he is. He's the godfather of Halloween, man. So thank you, Alan, so much. This is amazing. We're going to go display this thing on the counter so we can sit out and everybody can see it and appreciate it. So let's go get this thing set on the counter. Just amazing. Oh, man, check him out. He's just freaking evil. Alan, you guys just knocked us out of the park. Man, I appreciate Stan and Stacy and Shannon and your whole team. You just murder every time. I'm so glad you showed the Thundercats some love after all the Masters of the Universe masks. I'm going to treasure this thing. It's going to stay with all my Thundercat collectibles that I have. It's just an amazing piece. And please, for anybody who's watching, if you guys don't have some Stiltbeast love in your life, go get some. I'll put all the links below. Go watch some Alan, man. I mean, if you want a commission, you know, all you got to do is ask. He can basically knock anything out of the park. I mean, and you just look at this thing. I'm just thrilled to have it. Him and Shannon and Stiltbeast are just such top shelf team all the way. So you guys get yourself some Stiltbeast. Like I said, the links will be below. Go check them out. Go watch. Get some Stiltbeast in your life. If you guys get a chance, go check out my brothers in the Trio of Terror, Vic Springston, who is now at Monster Misfits, and Dave at the Weird Kid Show channel. Man, we're just cranking out Halloween all the way up until and then beyond, guys. So, again, thanks to Alan. Thanks to my brothers in the trio. Alan, you just killed this one. I'm so happy to have another one of your pieces in my collection. That'll stay in my collection forever. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Until I see you again, keep it evil, just like this guy.